Jayana Khan and I'm from Green category. Today I've come up with my model which is about solar system. As we are living on the earth, Jayana Khan and I'm from Green category. Today I've come up with my model which is about solar system. As we are living on the earth and we have our own family, so the same like us, earth also has its own family which is called solar system. Now the question comes that what is solar system? The sun, its planets and all objects moving around them collectively are called solar system. The solar system is entirely dependent on sun, and the planets reflect the same light received from the sun. It is the heaviest among solar system. It is the closest star to earth. It is a ball of hot burning gases. And the light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. It is the source of all energy for life on earth. About 3/4 of sun mass consists of hydrogen and the rest is mostly helium on the sun's surface. There are dark patches on sun known as sunspots. These are patches of gases. It looks darker since it is the cooler ones than its surrounding. And if we come towards planets, word comes from Greek, which means wandering stars. Planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. Earlier it was considered that there were 9 planets, but lately one planet called Pluto was declassified from being a planet. All planets fall in 2 groups. One is the inner planets and the other one is outer planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer ones are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now between inner and outer planets there is a ring of small bodies which are made up of rocks and metal. These are also called asteroids. The ring is called asteroids belt. The first one from the sun is Mercury. It has no moons. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, it would only weigh 37 pounds on Mercury. The temperature rises about 800 Fahrenheit, and on the dark side it falls repeatedly to minus 300 Fahrenheit. The second planet from the sun is Venus. It is the brightest planet in solar system. Venus is also known as the sun's twin sister because of the same size and its proximity to each other. Venus one day is bigger than 1 year. It takes 24 days for Venus to orbit around the sun. The third planet is Earth, which is our home. Earth is estimated to be 4.5 billion years old. It travels through space at 660,000 miles per hour. It takes 243 days for Earth to orbit around the sun. And if we talk about the moon, so it is the Earth's only satellite. There is no atmosphere on moon, so there is a huge difference between Earth and day atmosphere. There is no wind, no weather, rain or clouds on moon. Then the fourth one is Mars. Mars is the 4th closest planet to the sun. Mars is red because it is rusty. There is a lot of iron in Mars soil. And the year on the Mars has made it turn red. The one Martian day is half hour bigger than Earth. It takes 687 days for Mars to orbit around the sun. Now the 5th one is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in solar system. Jupiter is large enough to contain 1,300 planets at the size of Earth. Jupiter rotates so quickly that the days are only 10 hours long. It takes 12 Earth years for Jupiter to orbit around the sun. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, it would weigh 264 pounds on Jupiter. The 5th one is the 6th one is Saturn. Saturn is also a very big planet, but Jupiter is bigger than Saturn. It has 7 flat, thin rings around it. The planet can be seen from Earth, but its rings cannot because it is made up of rust. It takes 30,685 days for Saturn to orbit around the sun. Now the 7th one is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th closest planet to the sun. It is very far from the sun. It takes 12 years for Uranus to orbit around the sun. Now the 9th one is Neptune. It is very far from it. It is the stormiest planet in solar system. It is the stormy system. The wind there can blow up to 1,240 miles per hour. It is as fast as than the Earth hurricanes. It has a sea blue color due to methane gas in its atmosphere. And it goes around the sun every 165 years. So this was all about the family of Earth. Thanks.